Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of our 2-part video series, doing a product review for Rosalind. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So this is the 10-piece glow-in-the-dark gel polish kit that Rosalind had sent to me. I'm using C480 and C473 to start. Now I have to use up these 10 colors so I can kind of swatch them for you guys. And I came up with this winter idea that I think will definitely showcase this glow-in-the-dark gel polish. So starting with my thumbnail, I am using the C480 to draw these icicles at the base of my nail. And to do that, it's fairly simple. You just grab a little gel polish, place it on the bed of your nail, and drag the paintbrush while making zigzag lines, if that makes any sense. And it'll kind of come off as like icicles. So what I did here is I did a few at a time and then would cure it and then fill in the gaps with more icicles and cure it. I did this about 2-3 times to fill in the gaps at the baseline of my nail. And then we're going to move on to the next part of this design. So at first I'm just going to show you guys in real time how I did this. As you see, that was the first batch of 3 that I did. I'm going back in and filling in these 2 pieces in between the ones that I've previously made. And again, these polishes are a little translucent, so I feel that it's better to use them as detail work if you want to get that nice solid without having to put layers upon layers on there. And then again, this is the last part of the icicles. I'm going to be drawing icicles in between the 2 sets that I already had done. So it's just going to make one consistent line of icicles lining the bed of the nail. And it's hard to see on video camera, but this shows some texture with the icicles, so it's not just one solid piece. So I'm going back in with my dotting tool and I'm using C473 to put down a cross of dots onto my nail. This is the pretty much standard way everybody's been doing snowflakes. So I'm just going to do one big snowflake onto this nail. If you have longer nails, I highly recommend doing multiple snowflakes at different sizes. But because I'm working with short nails, I'm just going to do one nice big one so that when you see it in the dark, it's a nice crisp image. And after I place those dots, I'm going to take my fine detail brush and just start from the center and drag out to the sides, connecting the dots. And that's how simple and easy this design is. It's very seasonal, and when it glows in the dark, it's going to look so magical. If you are liking the products that I am using today, go ahead and check out the description box below. I have the product linked to this kit, this exact glow-in-the-dark kit, as well as my discount code that lasts till December 30th, and it'll give you a 10% discount of these already affordable glow-in-the-dark gel nail polishes. I find that Rosalind's kits are super affordable, and on top of the discount, you'll be able to get this kit and replicate this design as easy as it is, or come up with something extra fabulous for yourself. So for the remainder of this video, I'm going to let you enjoy some music, and we're just going to repeat the same process onto the remaining nails. Again, we're just putting down some icicles and then a snowflake, and then we'll go into the final result. And if you're watching this far, go ahead and click that like button. It really helps me out and I greatly appreciate your support. After I have finished curing those nails, I'm putting on some cuticle oil and we'll show you the final result. And here is my winter design. I didn't mention this before because this is just mainly a Rosalind PR video, but I did use a glittery background to add to the winter feel. And we're going to show you a close-up of these nails. We've got the icicles and the snowflake smack dab right in the middle of the nail. Super cute, and we're not done yet. We're going to check out how these look in the glow in the dark. And here is that look. You guys, look how distinctive that these layers are. They're light pastel, beautiful colors, but in the dark, they definitely have this glow that's separate from each color. Now this is not even super dark. I'm going to go even darker, and it's really hard to focus, but for that little moment, you could see that it was just as good. And here are the little swatches glowing in the dark. So if you thought that this design was pretty cool, check out the description box below. I have the product link for this exact glow-in-the-dark kit from Rosalind. I also have a discount code that is good up till December 30th. So go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and join me again later this week. I have my Goody 2 Shoe video as well as a tribute nail video. See you again next time. Thanks. Bye.